and welcome to another Xterra video, guys. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And I would just finish one project, but I still have some time, so I figure I'm gonna toggle another project. I'm gonna work on upgrading my horns, because the way they sound horrible. I don't really like it. I know I have a train horn, but I don't always use it, only in case of emergency. But those horns, not too good, so I'm gonna try to do something about that. Alright, so let me show you how the current horn sounds. I'm gonna press the horn right now. And as you can see, guys, doesn't sound too good, not too loud. So that's what I'm gonna try to fix now. So I picked up these two universal horns. I actually picked up 4 universal horns. I may install all 4, only 2, I don't know yet, but we'll see. So now I'm gonna start disassembling and removing my current horns and figure out where I'm gonna install those. So that should be fun. Alright, guys, so there is my 2 current horns. So I'm gonna remove those and I'm gonna put 4, and I'm gonna mount them somewhere over here inside the bumper. So I'm gonna extend the wires and mount them over there somewhere, somehow. So yeah, let's see how that's gonna work out. Okay, so the plan is I have these 2 construction brackets, which T's. So they actually fit perfect over here like that. So I can screw this in here. I have space for a wire connection over there. But this, somewhere over here, I'm gonna bend this, and I'm actually gonna mount it to one of these heavy-duty magnets that I have, that I used over there. And that, I'm not sure if I have more, but then I'm just gonna, with a magnet, mount it over here on the bumper. I can actually mount it maybe like over here or anywhere, and then I can figure out where I'm gonna mount it. Okay, guys, so for now it's gonna be something like that. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use the smaller magnets. It still holds it in place, doesn't really move out of the way or anything. I just don't want to waste my time, go to the store, get the magnets, then come back. So I'm gonna install it with these 2 little magnets for now, and then I'm gonna just get the magnets, maybe order them, and just gonna swap the magnets itself. It's gonna be easy. So this is my wire. This is my trip wire for the horns. So I'm gonna run a new wire for over here, and the second wire from here as well to this side. That way I have 2 wires going to each side for the horns, and I'm gonna install them. Alright, guys, so I'm actually using the pigtails, the ones that came with those horns. I'm just splicing them into the wires. So that's gonna be my feed. As far as I know, the polarity don't really matter on the horns, but I'm gonna keep one side for the positive and the second side is gonna be for the negative. So once I'm done all of this, I'm gonna heat shrink it, and this should be good. So I have my wire here, so now I'm gonna do my connections. Hopefully I'm gonna do it right. But and like I said, I don't think it matters which one is a positive, which one is a negative on the horns. So but I'm just gonna keep the same way, some of the same. So I'm gonna connect the wires and see if I can put it in there in the bumper.
A few moments later.
So there you go, guys, one set of horns installed. It's on a magnet over here. Like I said, I'm gonna replace it for a bigger magnet, stronger, but even like that, it's pretty good there. So, and I really like how it came out. It shoots out, so the sound, the whole sound is gonna go out, so it's not getting blocked in the engine compartment. So that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Alright, guys, the new horns are installed. I really like how they right there, facing down. So they're not like inside the engine compartment, they're right out. One there. And 2 more over here. Nice. So now let's test them. Let's hope they work.
Flashback.
How the current horn sounds. I'm gonna press the horn right now. All right, let's press the horn. Nice, much better. Way better, way better. Nice. Now it actually sounds like a horn. Very happy with the outcome. All right, guys. So there you go. That was just a small little upgrade. It was really bothering me how the horns used to sound, but now it's all good. So yeah, I mean, it's not the most aggressive sound, maybe there is, but still better than before. If you guys have any suggestions for what are the horns I can use, please let me know, and maybe I'll try those. But on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.